Okay, so this video is gonna be about the unboxing of the succulents that I've purchased online. Now, if any of you guys are planning to purchase succulents during this season as in the current season that we are in, then nah, that's a big no. Do not do that right now. The best time to buy succulents would be winters. I would probably recommend early winter, that's like around November or December. Okay, that's the season. It's dry, the succulents are not gonna die by turning mushy with excess water. So yeah, this person that I purchased succulents from has utilized all these packaging materials quite well, like recycled them quite well and packed them extremely well. She has dried the plants pretty well, and they are like all bare root. So example, this one doesn't have any roots, but that was okay. It would still root on its own because I got this in winter. If you think this is something recent, I apologize. I was quite late in uploading this thing, was caught up with a few other stuffs. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get back. And yeah, just go through the things that I have purchased. Bare root succulents. Apologies for the bad lighting, we'll try to work on that. I was just trying to be more careful here. Yeah, so there are like a couple of most of the succulents that I've purchased, they are like from the Echeveria family. If you know the Echeveria family, and they are quite similar to each other. Only differences that you might see is the size and the color. Yeah. And mind you, I'll update on how exactly they have been doing till now, whether they survived or not, because currently it's the monsoon season. Okay, and these are the ones that I purchased in winter, and it's been a while. Now I'll tell you which one survived and which did not. If right, I'll share that information with you next time. So removing these dried leaves is absolutely fine. I would recommend doing that, especially around the monsoon time, because we don't want any kind of fungus or anything trapped beneath there, where there should be air traveling so that the soil gets dried. So yeah, this is what I purchased in all. The rainbow Echeveria was something which I was trying to find for a very long time, and I did. Here. There's something new that I'm trying to do, okay? Like while editing, I'm just trying to do a little bit of voiceover by showing myself, because I know I do not really show myself. So I'm just trying to become a little more camera friendly. Let's see how it goes. And one more thing, with these succulents, when you look at the color, the vibrant color, it usually comes when they are placed in sun, especially the winter sun. That's when the color pops up more. If you keep it in shade, the color would not come up. It would be just green. There would not be this pinkish reddish, would not be there. Okay, so I'll update you in my next post on how exactly they are doing now. And stay tuned. Thank you for watching.